Single story, open layout, over 2,100 square feet and 3 bedrooms. Guys, welcome to the Melrose Plan 4 by Woodside Homes. Don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today is June 18, 2025, and today we're here at Ambridge by Woodside Homes here in Cadence, Henderson. Now, if you're not familiar with Cadence, Henderson, we're about 25 to 30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Cadence is the most affordable master plan community in all of Las Vegas. Great amenities for the HOA of $75 or $80 a month. You're gonna have walking trails, you're gonna have parks, you're gonna have splash pads. We have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and it's great for families, great for kids, a lot of fun here. I will have the floor plans on the screen for this community. Now, this is a single-story community, okay, that offers 4 different floor plans, all ranging from about 1,597 square feet all the way up to 2,192 square feet. The base prices are gonna range from about $481, $490, all the way up to about $541, $490. Now guys, whenever you look at the base price, just so you know, that does not include the lot premium and the upgrades, okay? So lot premiums at this community, they're gonna range from about 10 to 35,000. Now the upgrades, it really just depends buyer to buyer, but usually buyers are putting in about 10 to 15% of the base price in upgrades. Now, the way they have it set up here, you can build from ground up. They also do have some spec homes. Now, spec homes are homes that the builders already started construction. They picked out all the options, and these homes are gonna be ready in about 2 to 3 months. Now, the benefits of a spec home, most likely you will get a better deal, especially if it's available to move in ready, or if it's ready in about like one month, okay? So sooner the better. Some information for you guys here. So again, the HOA here is $75 a month. This community is gonna have 58 homes. Now this community also just opened up last month, okay? So it's a fairly new community, but it's not too big. The average lot square footage, you're looking at about 5,700. There's gonna be 3 or 4 or 5 lots that are gonna be about 10,000 lot square footage, 10,000 and 11,000. No, that's about it, guys. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome to the Melrose floor plan. So this is plan 4. This is 2,192 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and the base price as of today is $541, $490. Now, just remember, if you are building from ground up, you can choose between 4 different elevations. And depending on the elevation you choose from, that's where your base price is going to be. But they're only about a $3,000 difference between all of them. But they have a Scandinavian, Craftsman, Desert Contemporary, and the Prairie. Now, it looks like they do have a quicker move in. Out the door, it's about $600. That's including the lot premium and the upgrades. So yeah, desert landscaping is included, paver driveway, okay? The backyard won't be landscaped. When you move in, you have about a year to landscape your backyard. Now your garage is gonna come fully finished. That means the walls are gonna be painted. You have a water softener loop. You also have a tankless water heater, a water filter for the kitchen. And then also to the structural upgrade you can do is you can upgrade from a 22 feet deep garage to a 24 in case you have like a large pickup truck. All right, so let's head towards the entry door. All right, welcome in everyone. So you have this nice Hallway, as soon as you walk in, 10-foot ceilings. Looks like you have the optional 12-foot ceilings in the kitchen, living room area. We'll start out over here. So you're gonna have a bedroom right at the very front. So bedroom number 1, okay. There's gonna be a full-size bed, so plenty of room. This bed is pretty spacious. As you can see, you have this full-size bed, and then you also have this little desk right over here. You're gonna have 4 windows, so plenty of light coming in. Okay, so we got the 4 can lights. Any can lights that you want to add are gonna be optional. Pre-wire to the ceiling fan. Most buyers, a lot of buyers from what I noticed, they just add those in the bedrooms and they're good to go, because that could be a ceiling fan and a light at the same time. It's nice because every bedroom here has its own full bath. So yeah, you got your single sink, your toilet, your shower tub. And then also too, for the shower tub, so this is an upgrade. You could either have the tile surround or you could just have the fiberglass shower tub. You'll have standard, you'll have eggshell finish paint all throughout the house, which is really nice. A lot of builders, again, they have flat finish paint like all throughout the house except for the wet areas. So it's really nice that they have this eggshell finish. It's easy to clean, doesn't get dirty. This is the standard option here, which is a flex room. Okay, now if you want to do the structural upgrade, you can have the Home Plus Suite. Now the Home Plus Suite is, you would have this door that would lead to right over here. Now, as soon as you enter the door, you'll have like your personal like living room area where you could put a refrigerator, a microwave, and you'll have your own full bath, and then you'll have your own private bedroom. Okay, so again, Home Plus Suite is great for living with, you know, extended family, or if you have a roommate, you just put them in the extended suite and, you know, a little bit more privacy inside the house. Okay. So we got your door to your garage right here. Okay, it is locked, of course. Okay, it's a nice little area, some cabinets right here. This is going to be the second bedroom. Okay, so right over here, you'll have your standard closet. Not the largest closet, as you can see, it just ends right there. You'll have a full bath. Okay, upgraded quartz, cabinets, nice tile surround right there. Okay, this flooring as well is upgraded flooring. Now the standard flooring you'd have would be like a 17 by 17 ceramic tile. That'd only be in the wet areas, and then you'd have carpet all throughout. But most buyers are removing that carpet. They're just keeping it in the like the bedrooms, but they're usually putting the hard flooring all throughout. Okay, so this right here, this is an upgrade to have this powder room. Now usually you'll just have standard is a storage, like a storage room. You can upgrade to have it like a wow, what was it? I think it was like a small office, or you could do a powder room. So it's completely up to you. Now, welcome to the kitchen, living room, and the dining room area. Now, this is the part of the house where you can upgrade to the 12-foot ceilings. And in my opinion, I think it's always worth it. You know, I've had clients that passed on upgrading the ceiling, and then after they moved into the house, they were just like, yeah, you know, I regret it. But it's also great for resale purposes too. Most buyers love high ceilings. So you have this nice, really large kitchen island right here. Some good cabinet space. You got the upgraded stacked cabinets. So this is 42-inch cabinets. you'd have like the 36-inch cabinets would be standard. So it would come to right about here. Okay. Nice. You have this Calcutta quartz that is optional. So a lot of upgrades in this house. You got the backsplash. And as far as the appliances go, the oven, stovetop, microwave, dishwasher will be included. And then refrigerator, washer, and dryer won't be included. Okay. This type of sink is also optional as well. Okay. So you got your laundry room here. Laundry room. Nice. You have your sink. That's cool. I need to have a sink in my laundry room next time I move. Okay, so you have your attic access up there. And then you'll have your pantry here. So really nice sized pantry, walk-in pantry. Okay, so you have your dining room right over here. Okay, and you have this small little area. Now, a couple different configurations you can do. This could actually be closed off, and then you could have like a, what is it? I think you'll have like a beverage center that you could access it from over here. Yeah, there'll be like a door, and you could have like your little beverage area. Okay, so nice slider. Another structural upgrade that you can do as well, you could put a slider over here, or you could put 2 windows. I mean, from the looks of it, it looks like this is kind of like where the TV is supposed to be, so. So the covered patio is included. The pavers underneath it will be included as well. But yeah, all this other backyard space is going to be a dirt lot. But yeah, you do have a gas stove for a barbecue. Okay, you have your water spigot right over there. Okay, looks like you have your condenser in there, some outlet right there. Now guys, if you're thinking about going to a new community for your very first time, because you've been watching these videos and you're super interested and you just want to check it out, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. If you have a realtor though, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, phone number, and email. Now, once they have that information, at that point, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. And it's going to be really hard to get you representation at that point. Now, the huge difference is the builders look after the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. Okay. So there's a difference in fiduciary relationships. Okay. So we're in the primary bedroom. So nice. This is an upgrade option if you want the freestanding tub with your walk-in shower. Okay, you have your toilet room right there. Dual sinks. You're always going to get 2 sinks in the bathroom, in your primary bathrooms. Okay, I got some nice tile. And then this is your walk-in closet. Hey guys, your walk-in closet is not going to look like this. I don't even think you could make this an option, to be honest with you. I don't think they offer that. But yeah, let me see here. Cool, so your linen closet. But yeah, guys, that wraps it up for the Melrose Plan. This is going to be, again, this is the largest floor plan in this community. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, curious to know the incentives, Guys, don't hesitate to reach out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.